Joe from Service Department. I will serve your breakfast. This is your omelette. And this is your sliced bread. And this is your cutleries. This is your orange juice. This is your fried rice and satay.
Okay.
This is your salt and pepper. This is your bill. Your bill amount 310,000 rupiah. And this side here. Your bill will include your.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Room service.